Good morning, it's Mr. Wilson. Insert guitar riff here. Awesome pictures of skids and shit here. And drag it out for as long as I can to keep the viewers watching to try and make money from YouTube. See how it works? Seriously, I was trying to make a fucking introduction video the other day on the old guitar. I had to go on electric, but there's something wrong with the pickup. It's buzzing, won't stop buzzing. So I thought I'll pull the old acoustic out. So I got the acoustic out and knocked up a couple of intros for Mr. Wilson. And fucking, wouldn't you know it? Forgot to turn the camera on. So he's pretty lucky that you missed out on that. Right, going for a drive the other day in this, I think it's 2003 model Mitsubishi fucking Challenger. What year is the cunt? I don't know. Yeah, 4th of 03. And it's showing a little hesitation about 1500 revs going up hills. Rev the shit out of it, goes fine. Just when you're going up hills. So I'm figuring plugs and leads to begin, because it's done 220,000. I think it's all original shit. So I'm going to do a step-by-step instruction on this, because I looked up for a video how to change the plugs and leads on Challenger. There isn't one. Which I thought, okay, no fucking worries. She won't be long. I'll grab some plugs and leads and we'll get it done. Alright, step one. Open your bonnet. Oh, I undid all that. So, step one. Open the bonnet. Identify your coil packs, your leads, and then look for your plugs, because they're just going to be 5 minutes. Just whip them right out, change them over. Step one. Say, what the fuck? You fucking serious? There you go, step one. Step 2, 3, right through to 20 are going to be a series of shit, fuck, cunt, what the fucks, you piece of fucking shit, why the fuck did I buy this thing? And I could go on, but you get the point. Whoever fucking designed this, fucking cheers, brother. You're a top man. Like, put the fucking spark plug somewhere you can get to them, for fuck's sake. Jesus Christ, look at this shit. Like, gone are the days of the old fucking Holden and Ford. You just screw the fucking plugs out the side of the block, fucking wacko, you're done. No, none of that shit here. You got to fucking be a fucking engine doctor. Fucking go into full fucking open heart surgery just to change your fucking spark plugs. But anyway, sorry, I'm fucking a bit tired. It's early. So the rocket covers are leaking. Only a tiny fucking bit, but you smell a little bit of the old golden juice burning now and again. So we'll probably, once we pull half the fucking engine apart to get to the spark plugs, we might think about changing the rocket cover gaskets as well. So the step-by-step instructions, if you missed any of that, just go back as you're doing yours. And if you need a spare shit, fuck or cunt, there's going to be a few. There's a few there for you to use. Yeah, just start at the top and just pull shit off. I'm going to video all this, not for you cunts to fucking get step-by-step instructions. For me, so I know how to put it back together, because fucking look at all that shit. Like, seriously. What? It's fucking a labyrinth of just shit. Fuck. Alright, so, on that note, we've been working on the old beast. I'm trying to find a fucking wheel cylinder for a 1974 Transit. Anyone? Fuck, it's just not fucking happening. So I started to clean the paint up a little bit there. Not that you can fucking tell, but the idea is it's going to be a little bit old school looking. Trying to get some wide wheels for the back of it. Try and get some wide wheels for the 1974 Transit, would you? Yeah, fuck, that's going to happen. So, yeah, that's jacked up there. Fucking local parts stores are scratching their heads. I walk in, I say, I got a challenge for you. They're like, yeah, no worries, mate. And then fucking 4 hours later, the phone's ringing. Oh, we can't find one. What the fuck? They probably use them fucking same fucking cylinders on fucking 200 fucking Fords. But no, can I find one? No. Alright, I better get to this. This is going to be fun. I'm up early. Oh, a bit of a stretch. I've had the old fucking dare fucking warm-up juice. You're going to be working on this shit, you need a fucking dare. because this shit's going to get confusing. So we'll see how many shit fucks and cunts we can fling out as we go along, and have a happy day. Alright, later.